In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your account number on PayPal. You might be wondering why you'd need your PayPal account number. Perhaps you just want to access your account details or use them for verification. Whatever the reason, I am here to walk you through the process step by step. And by the way, be sure to check the video description below. I'll include the full instructions there so you can refer back to them at any time. All right, let's get started. Now I'm already logged into my PayPal account, but if you aren't, go ahead and do that first. Once you're in, what you want to do is navigate to the settings icon, which is conveniently found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a variety of options. The one you're interested in is labeled Data and Privacy, so go ahead and click on it. Within the Data and Privacy section, you'll find an option that says Download Your Data. This is your next stop. When you click on this option, PayPal will prompt you to verify your account to ensure everything is secure. It's just a quick process, and once you've verified your account, you'll be granted access to download all your account information. Typically, this download will be in PDF format. Now, you could choose a different format if you prefer, but from my experience, I find that using the PDF version is the most straightforward option. It's easy to open, and all the information is neatly organized. Inside that file, you'll find all the important details related to your account, including your account number and other key information. And there you have it. That's probably the easiest way to find your PayPal account number. If you happen to know another method, feel free to share it with us in the comments below. I'm always interested in learning new tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.